So now you're going to work on capacity, and capacity is something how much can hold. And this looks different in our country versus other countries, and you are already aware of things that are sold in our country that do not go by the customary units of capacity, such as a 2-liter bottle of soda. Liters are not an American measurement. But in America, we sell things by the gallon or the quart or the pint. So when you think of milk or orange juice, things like that, those are sold in American units of capacity. So to remember these, we're going to draw super G. So in your notebook, you need to draw, taking up the entire page, a big letter G. And this is going to represent super G. You can even give him a cape. Super Gallon. You may also know him as King Gallon. So either you can call him Super G, King Gallon, Gallon Man, however you want to describe him. And there's a story that goes along with Super G. So we're going to go the route of King Gallon. So King Gallon lives in a land where he has 4 queens, and the queens represent quarts. So every gallon has 4 quarts. And in each quart or queen, she has a prince and a princess. So the P stands for pint. So there are 2 pints in 1 quart. And then there are 8 pints in 1 gallon. So if someone says, how many quarts are in a gallon? You would say 4. They could ask you how many quarts are in half of a gallon, and you would say 2 quarts, because this would be half. Now, each prince or princess has 2 cats, and the C represents cups. So make sure you draw 2 cups in each pint. Now, in each cup or each cat, there are 8 fluid ounces. So when you draw the 8, it kind of looks like 2 eyeballs, which a cat has 2 eyes. So each cup has 8 fluid ounces. So you have to write very small. Hopefully your G was big enough to fit all of this in. So we're going to review the story. There is King Gallon. He has 4 queens or quarts. Each quart has 2 pints or princesses, however you want to remember. And then each princess has 2 cats, and each cat has, the cats are cups, and then each cup has 8 fluid ounces, and we represent those by drawing eyes for the cat. So on the next page, you're going to take notes of this. So please copy this down in your notes. 1 gallon, and we're going to say that that is king gallon. 4 quarts equals 1 gallon, and we're going to say that those are 4 queens. Each quart has 2 pints. So 2 pints equals 1 quart. And the pints are going to be princesses. We'll say princesses. Each princess is equal to 2 cups. And the cups represent cats. And 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. And we write this FLOZ. So please make sure you have these notes written down so that you can remember the story. Tonight for homework, you're going to need to recreate this. You will have a quiz, a pop quiz, hint, hint, on King Gallon sometime this week.